Hello friends, welcome to JavaFx GUI tutorial. In this video, we are going to design pagination from Fxml. So this is the stage, right? The stage contains pagination control. Here, this is the content area, and here you are seeing the navigation control. All right. First, we will generate Fxml for the main stage. So in the last video, we learned about the basics of pagination control and pages, and how Page Factory constructs the pages by taking the page number from the user. So once we design the pagination control, we will mark an entry. So here, if you see, we have an instance for pagination, and we make an Fxml entry. Then in the start method, we load our Fxml. So in the demo, this is what we will create, or we will create a file called fx028 pagination control Fxml. Then after designing the stage, we will load that here in the start method. Then we will set title. So those are all some simple stuff. We did that in our previous examples. All right, now we will go ahead and create the main stage that displays the pagination control. Now it's demo time. Here we are inside the NetBeans IDE, tube coding examples. Right click, new, other, JavaFx, empty Fxml, click next, Fx 028, pagination control. Okay, let us accept the default. You will go next and pick here, use Java controller. If you see here, the controller name is Fx028. If you see here, the controller name is Fx028 pagination controller. Now let's click next, and we will click finish now. All right, now we will close all this. This is the Fxml, right? We are right clicking here and choosing open. This will bring up the scene builder. So we already have anchor pen. We will click this. So here in the layout, we will set padding as 10 for top margin, side 10, so now we set padding for this anchor pen, and we will give preferred width as 550. Here we will give preferred height as 350, and you can see the height will get reduced once I hit enter. We will click save. Now let's drag and drop anchor pan. Okay, anchor pan is already here. Controls. Let's search for pagination control is here. You can look at the icon. You can navigate through the pages. So that's how the icon is displayed here. Pagination control. So I am dragging and dropping it over the anchor pan. So we already set the padding. So now we can simply drop it. So we will select this, and anchor pan constraints, we will stick this to the edge 10. So if you see how it moved, so this distance is now 10, and we will do that for all the edges. So at present it is 75, but we are going to set it as 10. Then here also we will set 10. Now, okay, 10 in all four sides. So now the pagination control is anchored on all four edges. That means if you resize, the pagination control also will resize, so that it will maintain the distance of 10 on all four sides. Alright, now we will save this. Next, we will go to code section and provide a Fxml entry, fxctrl pagination. We'll hit enter here. File, save. So this entry will get added to the Fxml, but to the controller we will bring up this and copy the Fxml entry. File, exit, go to controller, so we already copied it, right? Now we will paste the Fxml entry as a class member. And pagination control is from JavaFx scene control package. So we made a Fxml entry. We will tag it with a comment for later easy readability. So when you are searching, you can search for / sample, and your search result will show sequence number 0, 1, 2. So you can click on the search result and navigate through the code in the order in which we added it. Next, remember we just added the Fxml only. We will still use or reuse the main stage. Here if you see, this is our main entry, right? We used this to explore our previous example. Now I'm deleting this. title we will change later. Now we are loading our new Fxml. Previously we loaded this, right? So just change that to load our new stage, and here it is tree view example. Now we will name it as pagination control. So that's all. We will rebuild this once. Now we will launch this. Okay, here is a mistake, or we can just put F2, copy, now we can run this once again. Here you can see the pagination control. So this is the navigation control. User can pick a specific entry here, or if they need, they can navigate through the arrow buttons. At present we doesn't provide any limit for number of pages. That's why we are seeing here a 3-dot ellipsis. That means the pagination control states that I don't know what's the maximum number of pages. Whenever you click, you will navigate through next set of pages. Alright, we will continue from next video. For now, we created a Fxml for the pagination. We will create one more Fxml that will be used by the page factory to load a page dynamically. So just now you saw the demo. Thank you.